Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, please feel welcome, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. So today's video is about how to become a better dancer. Recently I started taking some ballroom and Latin classes, and I have learned a few things about how to be a better dancer, so I thought I'd share them with you. And as you know, I really love dance. I thought, why not share a video about how to be a better dancer? Okay, so let's go. Becoming a better dancer takes time, dedication, and practice. Whether you're a beginner or already have some experience, here are some tips to help you improve your dancing skills. Number 1, find a dance style. Determine the dance style that you're most interested or passionate about. It could be ballet, hip hop, salsa, contemporary, K-pop. Focusing on a specific style will help you to develop your skills. Number 2, take dance classes, which is what I'm doing. Enrolling in dance classes helps because you're working with qualified instructors and teachers. A structured learning environment will help you understand the technique, learn proper form, and receive feedback. Start with beginner classes if you're new to dance and gradually make your way up. Number 3, practice regularly. Consistency is key to improvement. Set aside regular practice sessions to work on your dance skills. Practice your technique, exercises, and routine to build muscle memory and improve concentration and coordination. Make sure to warm up before any session to prevent any injuries though, always very important. Number 4, strengthen your body. Dancing requires physical strength, flexibility, and endurance. So it's better if you engage in activities that require overall fitness, like cardio, strength training, and stretching. Me, for example, I do yoga every morning, and then I follow it up with another workout routine just to improve my flexibility, strength, and endurance. It helps if you focus on exercises that target the specific muscles that you use for your chosen dance style. Number 5, watch and learn. Study professionals in your chosen dance style to gain inspiration and learn techniques. Watch online videos, live performances, and participate in dance competitions. Analyze their movements, musicality, and expressions. That will really help. And try to incorporate elements that you admire into your own dancing. Number 6, pay attention to technique. Mastering proper technique is crucial to becoming a better dancer. Focus on body alignment, posture, footwork, and coordination. Pay attention to the details and practice each movement. Number 7, work on musicality. Dance isn't just about the steps. It's about expressing yourself through music. You can develop your musicality by listening to different genres of music, understanding rhythm and timing, and interpreting the music with your movements. Connect with the music emotionally to bring more depth into your dancing. Number 8, perform and receive feedback. Take opportunities to perform in front of an audience, even if it might seem a bit daunting at first. It will be really good for you. Performing will help you gain confidence and stage presence. Seek their feedback from instructors, peers, or experienced dancers to identify areas for improvement. Number 9, embrace your individuality. While it's important to learn from others, don't forget to express your unique style and personality. Experiment with different movements, improvisation, and choreography to find your own voice as a dancer. Number 10, stay motivated and have fun. Dance is a journey and progress takes time. Stay motivated by setting goals, celebrating small successes. Remind yourself of the joy that dance brings you. Remember why you got into it in the first place. Enjoy the process and enjoy growing and learning as you become a better dancer. Remember, everyone progresses at their own pace. So be patient with yourself. Be consistent in your practice, and with a positive mindset, which is also very important, you will become a better dancer over time. So that's it. Those are my 10 tips to becoming a better dancer. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.